Okay, so in summary, this module we had a chance to look at several different aspects of the ASP.NET architecture. Started off with a look at its integration with IIS, both IIS 6 and 7, and how in IIS 6 it acts as sort of an add-on and it has to go through IIS before it's actually dispatched onto ASP.NET. Whereas IIS 7, it becomes a first-class citizen and you can actually make modifications to requests going into IIS directly with ASP.NET. We talked about dynamic content, how you can inject dynamic content in your pages, which is really what the main idea behind ASP.NET is for building pages that are constructed dynamically. And there are several techniques. Server-side controls are the foundation of most of these. Techniques for data binding, including declarative data binding that was introduced in version 2, can simplify the code that you have to put into your projects. For the code that you do have, we looked at using code behind and how to separate out code from the markup of your page and create a base class definition that is inherited by the main page class. We also looked at the page lifecycle, all the various events that occur each time a request is processed, starting from the pre-init event all the way down through unload and everything in between. Event handling, both for page lifecycle events as well as server-side control events. Both are preferred. The preferred model for subscription is the declarative model, which Visual Studio 2008 will use, which for controls is to use the on syntax, just an on with the name of the event, and for page lifecycle events is to use the auto event wire up with the specially named functions that are prefixed with page underscore. And finally, we touched on the several of the new special directories in ASP.NET for compiling code and resources and browser capabilities, among other things.